Panty is real. Tingnan guys. Socks.
Ito ba yung sinasabi nilang window shop?
Yeah, very job.
Thank you.
So for today's video ay day off natin guys. So gagala tayo dito sa mall. At saka sa labas. So Merry Christmas everyone!
Let's go far away together, a journey that we'll always remember. The world outside is waiting wide, it's secrets that we've yet to find. The road ahead, it seems so grand, a story that will soon expand. We'll leave behind the daily grind, the worries that have been unkind. Underneath the open sky, our adventure's about to fly. The sun will rise on brand new days as we walk along these ancient ways. The wind will sing a gentle song, guiding us where we belong. Let's go far away together, to places that we've never seen. Through mountains high and oceans wide, our love will be our guiding light. Let's go far away together, leaving all our troubles behind. We'll build a world of our own kind, in this journey that we'll define. We'll find a hidden waterfall, the water's like a crystal wall. The trees will whisper soft and low, sharing tales of long ago. At night we'll watch the stars align as if they're drawing out our sign. The moon will cast a silver glow on this path that will always know. Meet the locals on the way and learn the stories of their day. Their smiles will warm our hearts so true, making this trip all the more new. Let's go far away together, to places that we've never seen. Through mountains high and oceans wide, our love will be our guiding light. Let's go far away together, leaving all our troubles behind. We'll build a world of our own kind, in this journey that we'll define. Let's go far away together, our story just beginning as we travel hand in hand. This adventure never ending.
Naman to. So mag-order tayo guys ng ating pagkain. Isa food gala. So i-try natin yung ito. So I will try this one guys.
The drink?
Yung aking receipt. So wait natin guys. So ang daming tao. So nandun yung mga kasama ko. Order guys. Napakasarap. Yay! Malaysia food pala ito guys. Kaya may spicy. So tikman natin. Guys, Malaysia food.
May barbecue?
Sa atin. Nagsiyar ka. Christmas shopping.
Happy na yun. Ano yan, plastic?
Plastic. Yan guys, bumibili sila ng red na panty at bra. Pang New Year daw nila. New Year. Computer na sila guys. Magkano na yung nagastos nila? Bayaran na daw. Ayun. Nagko-computer na. It's na sila guys. Pila dito guys sa Gio. So punta kami ngayon sa Uniqlo. White. Sa Uniqlo naman tayo guys.
160. Bigat kayo mga pan.
Like mo, bili ka.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas. Tanong-tanong na bigat. Ay, masarap pa lang. Walang nga mo mabigat.
Hi, dance.
Em xin mẹ thằng cô vào đi chó chờ đây.
Stitch. Nakadugaro.
Niniping. Dito ito. Ganda na.
Guys, tapos na ang aming winter shopping. So, uwi na tayo. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Please like and subscribe.